Hello fellas, and today we're going to be viewing this shark hoover. So, if you press this button, which clearly says press to unlock, the hoover will pop up into an Empire State Building looking figure. So, one of the main attributes of this hoover is you can take the top off. Release it. Oh. As you can see, you can take the hoover, take the wand off, and it is a good, solid base for the hoover. Very loud noise as well, which might be bad, but also sucks up all the hoover power. And now we have the battery over here. So you put the battery in, just in there, with an easy slot in. Looky there, what a battery. Now you can also have plenty of attachments, which looks like this. To turn the hoover on, you can select full power mode, carpet mode, and floor mode. I'm just going to, I don't know how to do that, I'm just going to hoover. You can see how well it hoovers. Can you see that? Can you see that? I think they can see that. Fellas can see that. See that? Now that was what I call shark power. So, we're going to review the rest of the hoover. Thank you. So, that's with the button I clicked for the wand release, right there. And you can also swizzle it round, come a close-up shot. That says press to unlock. So if you are blind, don't know how to read, don't buy this hoover. Life lessons from Fin Reviews. Now you simply press that button, it goes back, and close up with the camera action for that release thingy mabob. So, if you're wondering, well, what if, I don't know, a medal, for instance, gets stuck in there, you can just simply open it, and at a click of the button, the hoover is open, the cover is off, and you can retrieve your medal. So what if you want to put it back on the hoover? You simply put the Duo Clean sign, up to the top of the hoover. Simple, easy, and slick. Goodbye, fellas. Catch you later.